Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from DCU to Bank of America. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So what you need to do first is you need to access your digital banking account. In this case, you need to log into your account. Now, second is you need to navigate to the Move Money tab and choose Transfer Money, or alternatively, Access Accounts and select the account for the transaction, then click Transfer. Now from then, you need to designate your from and to accounts and input the desired transfer amount. In this case, in the to section, make sure that you indicate your Bank of America account. So that includes your account number and a bunch of other details. Now from then on, opt for a frequency option. If setting up a recurring transfer, specify the duration for automatic transfers to occur. Now pick the transfer date and optionally include a memo. Now proceed to the next step and review your transfer details and click Make Transfer to finalize your request. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.